Well, hello, business friends. Today is why do we do all this work? Why do we do all this stuff? So, I'll start with the kind of setting some parameters. There's the body, the mind, and the spirit, as I call it. The body, the mind, the spirit, kind of in that order. So, the first reason why we work is because we got to feed our body, right? If we don't feed our body, we have no health, we're not around, there's no work. I like to use some of the different businesses that I have as we talk about that. So I'll use the martial arts because that's easy. Obviously, I work out, and when I work out, that makes my body feel better. If your body's feeling better and you're eating well, that's going to help you perform better. All right, good sleep, good nutrition, taking care of yourself. Okay, so that's one of the whys is in the body. You got to take care of the body. Then, if your body's good, just like you have to take in an airplane, they say put your mask on before you give it to somebody else. If you can take care of your body, then you can maybe take care of a family. So if you're single, take care of you first, maybe build yourself up a little bit, and now you can take care of others. As simple as that. Let's kind of take it to the next step. There was a drill I did a long time ago, and it was the drill of why is that important to you? So at the time, I was an IT recruiter, and it was important to me. I said the first why answer was to help other people get jobs. Makes them feel good. Why is that important? Well, to help their families. Okay, why is that important? Now, I'll get to the final why in a moment. But right now, that's why we do it for the body, right? So if we move up a step, use that martial art class again, well, everybody comes in with problems into a martial art class, including the instructor. And then when I leave, if I focus on the other people, they always don't seem as great as when I walked in. In other words, the problem was big. Now I walk out, it's not as big. I just focused on other people, and the problem seemed to dissipate a little bit, almost like ripples in water. You drop a rock, you get a big ripple, and then it kind of just chills out, right? So I was finding that that was helping me mentally feel better about my problems, no matter what the problems were, was the martial arts. So now we talk about the mental. Why are we doing this? The mental is, you know when you're not doing something right. Let's just say you have kids. When your kids are doing the wrong thing, hanging with the wrong people, staying out too late, making you worried, not calling you back, being elusive, those things you know are not right. You know that there's some problems. Maybe they're doing drugs, whatever. And you know when you're doing right, you know when you're doing wrong, right? They're taking the drugs maybe to feel better in their physical body or drinking or whatever. And they're doing it for the flesh. Okay, so one of the whys is we want to feel better. We want to feel relaxed. We want to feel we have some stability. We want to feel we have some money in the bank, right? So that we can take care of the body and take care of the people around us. That's why. Yeah, sure, that's a why. So mentally, that makes us feel good. If we have a lot of money and we don't have a lot of expenses, then we feel a little bit better. If we have a lot of money and we have even more expenses, then you still don't feel so good mentally, right? You're still chasing, and I'm still working because I want to try to achieve things. So mentally, I keep pressing, right? So there's that keep pressing. But we want to get to the point of this last why. So if we go into the spirit realm, as I like to call it, spiritually, and the final why came down to when you're doing your God-given talent, it's really to give glory and honor back to the Lord with what you do. All right, so it's not necessarily how much you make, because it could be, no matter who you are, there's always more money you can make. So there's no end to that. And of course, at one point, we're going to have an end date. And on our end date, it doesn't matter how much money we had, we all end up with the same thing, which is nothing, right? It goes out to our relatives or something like that, or people who knew us, if you don't have any relatives, or sometimes it's a pet, who knows? But we all start with the same thing, nothing coming in. Some people have it better than others because based on the family that they have as far as financially, but we all have a chance to succeed. You've heard of many times people who are in destitute places and turn very high, and people who are in great places and spoil it all. So the final why is really to, why do we do this? We do this because we want to honor God in all we do. Whether you're divorced and now have to find a new family, or find a new wife, or not find a new wife, or take care of kids. Maybe you don't have kids in that marriage. You do these things to be the best person you can. When you do these things for the best person you can, and when you're helping others in the process, you know it. your spirit inside you, your Holy Spirit tells you, I'm doing the right thing. And that's why we do this. We do this so that we really are honoring to, as the golden rule would say, to treat our neighbors like we'd want to be treated. So we try to help people around the community. We try to help people in the country. We try to help people in the globe. And when you're doing those things to the best of your ability, and you're doing those things, there will be blessings that comes with that. So to receive those blessings spiritually, that's going to make you feel better mentally, take care of your body so that you can continue to move down that path. But that's the short reason on why we do all of the things we do, is really for the glory of God, to give Him the honor and the glory, as well as to bless others around us, keep ourselves physically fit so we can be a blessing to others around us, try to make some money so that we can help not only ourselves but the people around us as well. And that's why we do this. So I hope that that was a good message for you. I hope you got something from that. Maybe it lifted you up. If it didn't lift you up, and put some notes in the comments, I can read some of those. If you've got other things that you think about on why you do it, I'm happy to listen to those. Feel free to throw those in the comments. And I look forward to hearing your comments. And if there's anything I can do to help you or your company, I do some communication coaching. So if you're having disconnect in your company and I can help mentally break through some of those communication barriers so that people play better together, I'm okay at doing that. You can see the description of the details there. You can write me a note and I can see if I can help your company. But hope that business tip helped you.